What's up, Niugini Trends family? Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best music reviews, reactions, and entertainment news from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on the latest trends. Today, we're diving deep into a song that has been creating waves, Tere Bina, Without You. A song that tugs at the heartstrings, delivers raw emotions, and leaves a lasting impact. So, let's break it down, the music, the lyrics, and everything in between. Stick around till the end because we're also rating this track out of 10. Let's go!
तेरी यादों में हर शाम गुजरी तेरे बिना अब ये दुनिया अधूरी दिल की हर धड़कन बस तेरा नाम ले तेरे बिना जीना अब मुश्किल लगे चांद फीका है जब तू नहीं रात भी सूनी है अब तू नहीं तेरी हंसी थी मेरी रोशनी तेरी बाहों में थी जिंदगी सपने मेरे तेरी आंखों में थे बातें तेरी मेरी सांसों में थी तू ही मेरा जहां।
First off, let's talk about the music production. Right from the opening notes, you can tell this song is going to be an emotional roller coaster. The melody is beautifully composed, soft yet powerful, creating the perfect atmosphere for the heartfelt lyrics. The use of acoustic instruments blended with contemporary beats gives it a timeless feel. The piano sections? Absolute magic. And let's not forget about the transitions, smooth and seamless, making you feel every beat deep in your soul. And the vocals? Oh man, the vocals are pure gold. The singer brings in so much emotion, you can feel the pain, the longing, the love, and the heartbreak in every note. It's that kind of song that hits different when you're alone at night. Let me know in the comments, have you ever had a song make you feel that way?
क्यों मैं तन्हा ये दिल पूछता तेरे बिना अधूरा सा हूँ तेरे बिना तन्हा सा हूँ तेरी यादों में दिल होता है तेरे बिना अब कौन मेरा तू जो मिले फिर बहारे आए सूखे गुलों में भी खुशबू समाए तेरे बिना रंग फीके पड़े दिल के शहर में अंधेरा बढ़े तेरी बाहों में सुकून था कहीं अब ये तन्हाई मुझसे
Now, let's get into the lyrics. Tere Bina literally translates to without you, and the song perfectly captures the emotions of loss, longing, and unfulfilled love. The lyrics are simple yet deeply poetic, and that's what makes them so relatable. Further lyrics translated included when you were here, the world was colorful, now it's just emptiness everywhere, hit hard. It's that universal feeling of missing someone, whether it's due to heartbreak, distance, or even fate. What I love most is how the lyrics don't just express sadness, they tell a story. A journey of love, loss, and acceptance. Honestly, this song could easily be the soundtrack of a love story movie.
तो आंसू भी आए। क्या तुझे भी मेरी कमी महसूस होती है? क्या मेरे बिना तेरी दुनिया अधूरी है? तेरे बिना अधूरा सा हूँ, तेरे बिना तन्हा सा हूँ, तेरी यादों में दिल होता है, तेरे बिना अब कौन मेरा, तेरे बिना, तेरे बिना।
So, what's the verdict on Tere Bina? This song is a complete package, heartfelt lyrics, soul-stirring vocals, and a visually stunning music video. If you love emotional ballads, this one is a must-listen. I'm giving it a solid 8 rating out of 10. But hey, that's just my take. I want to hear your thoughts too. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about Tere Bina. Did it hit you right in the feels? Or do you think it could have been better? If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Niugini Trends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest music reviews. We've got more awesome content coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, keep vibing and keep supporting great music. This is Sheena, signing off. See you in the next one.